Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Toyota Sienna, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now let's take a look at this very easy install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. The connection for the tow harness is behind this trim, hiding behind the spare tire, so let's go ahead and expose the spare tire. Removal of the spare tire is not required to install the harness. However, for us to run the 4-flat connection under the bumper and for you to see it will be easier. So I'm going to remove the spare tire with a 21mm socket. Your wire harness will be right here, taped to some additional vehicle wiring. Now connect your trailer wiring to the wire harness in the vehicle. If you plan to pass your 4-flat connector under the bumper, remove this grommet, make a small slice to allow the 4-flat wires to pass through. Use double-sided sticky tape to affix your converter box somewhere below the spare tire. Now pass your 4-flat connection through the access hole. We can now route our 4-flat connection from the access hole to underneath the bumper where we're going to put it on a bracket. Go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver to remove some trim clips. We can now reach in and grab the wire harness. Our customer would prefer mounting the wires under the bumper on a 4-flat bracket. If you do not have one of these, you can purchase one online and I will link them in the description below. Place your bracket in the desired location, making sure there is nothing behind it. Using it as a template, drill out 2 holes with a 3/16 drill bit. The bracket will come with provided hardware. We, however, are going to use a rivet. Place your dust cover over your 4-flat connector before passing it through the bracket. Support the bracket while wiggling the connector into place. Now cover the connection with the dust cover. We can now hide the length of wire in the bumper and reinstall the trim clip. Pass it behind the second hole and install the second trim clip. Now tuck the remaining excess wire back into the underbody panel. Now back in the cargo area, pull all the 4-flat harness's excess slack back into the vehicle. Now slide the slit in the grommet over the wires and reseat in the access hole. If you have black silicone or RTV gasket maker, you can reseal your grommet with it. Use a zip tie to secure and coil up any excess wiring. If removed, you can now replace your spare tire. When returning the spare tire trim, be sure to line the 3 tabs up with the corresponding holes in the vehicle trim. And that concludes trailer wiring for your Toyota Sienna. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and we can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.